Yes, Monica, I think we can start with the session.
Okay, thank you so much, Rajan sir. So children, my question today is, whatever is your age, just multiply it by 2 and quickly type in the chat box. Let me see who is the fastest. Okay, Kunsh, 16. Ratisha, 18. All right. So the fastest one is Kunsh. Others are still calculating. Maths. Okay. 9. Is it really, Kabir? 9 multiply by 2? 9.5. You have to multiply your age by 2 and type in the chat box, whatever is the answer. All right, all right. Okay. So now let me quickly tell you about the flow of the session. So first of all, you'll get to know your mentor. Then you'll see a short informative PPT, followed by a virtual tour of the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And then there will be a short question answer round, wherein if you have a doubt or a query, you can ask and get the answer then and there. Okay. And then the actual demo will begin, for which all of you've been waiting. All right, understood? Okay, very good. So now let me tell you that we have with us Preeti ma'am. She's a wonderful mentor. She is subject matter expert of maths, okay, and teaching is her passion. She's been into this profession for more than 5 years now. So 5+ years of teaching, and she loves to interact with kids like you. So all over to you, Preeti ma'am.
Thank you so much, Monica ma'am. Good evening, everyone. It's wonderful to see you all. My name is Preeti, and hopefully I hope everybody would be joining the class, the actual classes, the actual batches for which the demo is being conducted today. So I'll be taking the batch for grade 4 mathematics. I've been working with Olympiad Success earlier, and I took batches for grade 3, 4, and 5. It was a wonderful experience, and I hope to expect you all. And let me tell you one more thing, that while preparing for the Olympiad exams, I feel that, mathematics is to be done in a fun way, right? There should be no stress of solving the questions like that. So if we solve questions in a fun way, we can remember many things about which we can apply at various places. So I'll try and make the session as fun as I could, so that everybody could enjoy, you and me, both of us. All right, thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Children, allow me to share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to you all. Is it?
Hello. Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Thank you, sir. So a very warm welcome to the demo and interaction program for class 4 mathematics batch 4. So as you are already aware that Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams. Olympiad Success Live is India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad's preparation. School Plus by Olympiad Success is one of its own kind of annual program that includes 8 important courses that really matter at this point of time in your life. And these include mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, both spoken and written, Vedic math, and coding. So here you can get one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes for grades 2 to 12, one-on-one preparation classes for international mathematics Olympiads like SASMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Counts, US Common Core Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, and PRMO. So you can meet our international rank holders for the year 2022-23. They're on the screen. And for the year 2021-22. All brilliant kids like you. So the classes would be group sessions with batch size of around 20 students delivered through Zoom by seasoned tutors. You've already met your mentor. So you get 3 sessions per week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Timing will be 6:30 p.m. till 7:45 p.m. with 5 minutes of break in between. So that means 35 minutes of class with 5 minutes of break, and again 35 minutes of class. So the sessions would include a mix of theory, practice questions, doubt sessions, and discussion on previous year papers. You get access to reading material, practice questions available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success, for which you will get a virtual tour very shortly by Rajan sir. You also get access to Olympiad Success platform so that you can practice topic-wise mock tests for both maths and reasoning, as well as logical reasoning. So syllabus is available at this particular link and fees can be paid at this particular link. So the fees for this course is 8,925, which is going to be a 40 session course. Don't worry, all the important and relevant links have been pasted in the chat box and will again be pasted in the chat box. The fees includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year papers, access to Olympiad Success platform for both mathematics and logical reasoning. So all that you require for these classes is a laptop or a desktop with good internet speed, with camera, because we don't allow students without video in the class, and headphones for better audio clarity. So as you're already aware that preparation for Olympiad exams is slightly tougher than your regular school curriculum. So you need to spend some time extra daily so that you can cope up with the curriculum, and parental support and help is required at the back end to check answers, monitor progress and all. In 2022-23, Olympiad Success had students from more than 3,850 schools across India and abroad, hailing from 35 plus countries. So now the live classes for this particular batch begins from Wednesday, 14th of June, 2023. I hope you've noted down all the details that are relevant to your course. Now I would request Rajan sir to take you through a virtual tour of the dashboard. All over to you, sir.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you for the wonderful presentation. Let me share my screen with the students. So students, my screen is visible to you? Okay, so this is actually the website of Olympiad Success. I'm just showing you how you can access the content. So what you need to do, you need to click on my account, okay? And you need to log in with the credentials that we have. So once you enroll with us, we will share the credentials with you. And with that particular credential, you can log in and you can access the content. Just for today, I'm logging with my credentials. Let me log in, just give me 1 second. Okay. So I think you can see this is the student profile that we have. This is the student profile and all the content you will find here in the live classes. So what you need to do, you need to firstly select the subject. So in our case, it is Mathematics Olympiad. Then what you need to do, you need to select a topic. Okay, so for each and every topic, you will find reading material and practice question here. Let me select decimals. So here you can see the reading material, practice question and answer key. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is the reading we have. Yeah, so this is the reading material we have for the decimal topic. So similarly, for each and every topic, you will find the reading material here in the dashboard. Okay. Other than that, practice question and answer key is also available. Let me show you practice questions also, how it looks like. So this is the practice questions we have. Okay. So like some MCQ questions are also there in some tests. There is answer key. Okay. Other than that, students, you can also access schedule here, like in which session, which topic we are going to cover. Let me show you. So this is the schedule. Like in session 1, we are going to cover this particular topic, numerals, number name and number sense. And in session 2, we will move with this topic. And in session 3 also. Then in session 4, we will have a test. So after each and every chapter, there will be a mock test. So what we will do, we will share the mock test link with you. You need to attempt at home. Then we will discuss the tests in the classes. Okay. And like Monica ma'am mentioned in her presentation also, we are also going to discuss all previous year Olympiad papers. So at the end of the schedule, you can see we have super classes. So in this super classes, what we are going to do, we will discuss all previous year Olympiad questions of grade 4 mathematics. Okay. Now, other than that, students, you can also check holiday calendar here, like on which holidays you don't have the classes. Other than that, with this course, you will also get the free access to the Olympiad Success mock test series for mathematics as well as for logical reasoning that you can access here in worksheet section. Let me show you. So here you can access for logical reasoning as well as for mathematics. Let me show you how it looks like. So these are all topic wise mock tests. What you need to do, you need to click on take exam to attempt it. Then just click on start worksheet to attempt. And here what you need to do, you need to choose a correct option. Whatever is the correct option, then click on next for the next question. After completing this, you need to click on finish to submit. So this is the feedback form in case if anyone have any feedback. So after submitting, you can see the result here, like how many questions are total there, time taken by student to attempt it, your score, how many questions attempted, how many are correct, how many are wrong. Okay. Later on also, if you want to check your performance, you can check the performance tab. You just need to select a subject and then just click on detailed result view to see your result. Okay. So this is all about the dashboard, students. Now, if anyone have any doubt or query, you can ask us in the chat box. Do anyone have any doubt or query, students? No doubt. Okay, no. If anyone have any doubt or query, you can put in the chat box. Okay, no one have any doubt. Okay, great. Okay, let me ask some questions in that case. Students, can you tell me the days on which you're having the classes? Let's see who's more attentive today.
Hello, good evening, ma'am. Hello. Oh, ma'am, hello.
So in case you have a doubt, please feel free to type in the chat box. We'll be happy to answer. Devanshu, Nitara, Dishita, Vyuk, Gayatri, Kunsh, Kartika, Avantika. Anyone,
Yeah.
any doubt?
Okay, Kartika, come up with the answer. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Any other answer, students, or Kartika is correct?
Ma'am, we are providing online classes for all.
Any other answer?
Very interested
So
to.
Monday,
everyone
Wednesday,
has
Friday.
answered Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Yes, then days are correct. The days are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And what are the class timings?
Starting class 5th or 6th.
What are the class timings?
Oh, okay.
6:30 to 7:45, 6:30. You also need to mention AM or PM. Is it AM or PM?
And do you have details?
Yes, 6:30 to 7:45 PM. Correct. The class timing is 6:30 to 7:45 PM. And last question, how many sessions are there? Can you tell me the total number of sessions?
6.
40, correct. I think we have
Class
13 weeks. Okay. Kunsh gave other answer also. Okay. Okay, students, do anyone have any doubt or query related to the course, or shall we start with the session? No, sir.
Okay. I think these are a bunch of smart students. They have no doubts. They are very clear with their things.
Correct, ma'am. I think then we can start with the session. So over to you, Preeti, ma'am.
Thank you, Rajan sir. Okay, who gave the answer as 13 weeks? Very good, Kunsh. And 13 weeks means how many days on which we have classes? Do we need an extra day to complete 40 sessions, or is it all complete? That's right. So one more class left after 13 weeks. So it's 13 weeks and one more day, to be exact. Very good. All right. So for the demo, as Monica ma'am said, children, that today you people are on mute, but in the usual classes, we will be having the interactive session wherein you all will be on unmute and you can ask and discuss everything with me, right? Now, when we talk about the preparation for the Olympiad classes, like as you people are in grade 4, and you have not done the full complete course of mathematics of grade 4 yet, because you just started with grade 4 session, right, in April. So what we do here, first, we cover the complete topic. When we say preparation for Olympiad classes, it is basically a level higher. So if you are preparing for grade 4 mathematics Olympiad, that means we have to touch level of grade 5 mathematics. Okay. So first we finish the complete topic and then we upgrade it to so that we can go a level higher to answer the questions. First, the understanding of the concept is required. Once we understand, once we know how to solve, then even we can solve difficult questions. I hope in your mathematics books also, you must be aware of a term HOTS, which is higher order thinking skill questions in maths. Right? After every chapter, generally HOTS questions are given. So just like that, first we finish the topic, we practice questions, and then we go for higher order, higher thinking order skills questions. So for the demo, we are taking the topic calendar with you. All right. So let me share this with you. My screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Thank you. Okay. So please make use of the chat box and tell me when I say the word calendar, what comes in your mind? What different terms come in your mind? What is your understanding for the term calendar? Be quick. Week, all right, Gayatri. Anything other than week? Dates, months, and weeks, all right. Anything else? Months, years. Okay, it is a paper which is a collection of dates, months, and days, weeks, year, months. All right, so you all are on the right track. So when the word calendar is used, basically it is all about, as you said, days, weeks, months, years. Days is made up of hours, hours is made up of minutes, minutes made up of seconds. So, and when we talk about the term second, time comes into the mind. So this all comes under the topic calendar. So basically, calendar covers everything. It is a system or a tool which is used to mark the passage of time, which covers past, present, and future as well. Okay. So now I hope every one of you knows that a day is the time that the Earth takes to make one complete rotation on its axis. I'm just doing a quick revision so that it will help you in solving so many practice questions that we have that will make the session interesting. Okay, so just a quick recap of the terms that you already know. Like one day has 24 hours and 1 week is made up of 7 days. First week of the day is Monday. So there are 5 weekdays in a week, starting from Monday going till Friday. And the last 2 days, we consider them as weekends, and then the cycle repeats. Okay. Now there are 12 months in a year. And as one of you correctly answered, that for 40 sessions, it will take us 13 weeks in 1 day. So when we talk about a month in a year, it is made up of 4 to 5 weeks, right? If it is a February wherein 28 days are there, we say exactly 4 weeks. But if it is a month of 30 to 31 days, it is between 4 to 5 weeks. That's how we calculate number of weeks in a month. Okay, now quickly tell me how many months in a year has 31 days. I want to know number of months in a year with 31 days. Be quick and write your answers in the chat box. Thank you, Kunj. I'm waiting for the answers for the rest of you. Very good. So 7 months in a year out of 31 days. And how many of 30 days? We have 12 months in a year. So, okay, smart answer 4. That's correct. Because February, it has either 28 days or 29 days. That's right. Thank you so much. Okay, now when I say that February has either 28 or 29 days, can anybody tell me the difference in these two things? When February has 28 days or when it has 29 days? Okay, Kabir, you are writing leap year. Leap year means for which one? 28 or 29? That's correct. Okay, thank you, Kartika. 29 days in February means leap year. And from where are we getting this one extra day? From where is it coming? How are we making it from 28 to 29? And after how many years do we do that? After how many years in a calendar, 28 changes to 29? 4 years. That's very nice. But why only after every 4 years? Why not 3? Why not 5? Is there any logic behind this? Anybody? Just waiting for the response if anyone knows. Okay, I'll tell you that when Earth it completes that revolution, okay, it takes 365 days that you all know. Along with 365 days, it also takes 6 hours. So every year it takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete that revolution. Now that 6 hours, when we collect them after 4 years, it makes it 24 hours, right? 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So that is how we are getting one extra day in the month of February, and we call it a leap year because of that one extra day. Now, anybody who can tell me how will you identify whether it is a leap year or not? How will you get to know whether the year coming ahead is a leap year or the year gone was the leap year? Anyone? Okay, no worries. I'll be telling you. Even numbers. How even numbers? Is somehow you're correct, Kabir, but exactly how even numbers? Okay, so Nitara means to say that if the number is divisible by 4, as I could understand. You're right. After one even number. Basically, the correct way to calculate is what Nitara said, that if the number is divisible by 4, the complete number, if it is divisible by 4, then we call it a leap year. Okay, but there is a shortcut to it. Rather than dividing a 4-digit number by 4, if you know the divisibility rule of 4, then it makes it easier. Divisibility rules makes the things easier for the calculation purpose. And divisibility rule of 4 is that if the number formed by the last 2 digits, for example, if I take 2004, okay, if I, one second, I'll just, if I take this year into consideration, and if I say 2004, now the number formed by the last 2 digits is 04, that means 4. And 4 is divisible by 4. So that means that this year is, the complete year is divisible by 4. So basically, if the number formed by the last 2 digits, that means the digit at tens in ones place. If it is divisible by 4, then in that case, the complete number is divisible by 4. All right, so this is the shortcut to it. So in normal classes, we'll be learning a lot of tricks, shortcuts. You didn't understand. Okay, Kabir, what I mean to say is if you have a 4-digit number, okay, leave the digits at thousands and hundreds place. Only underline the digit at tens and ones place. You get a 2-digit number. For example, 2012. Write it down somewhere, 2012. Now the digit at tens and ones place is 12, correct? So the number formed by those 2 digits is 12. Is 12 divisible by 4? Yes, it is. So 2012 will also be divisible by 4. You can check that out after the class. You can check this with any number, any big number. It works. But in case of zeros, like for example, we have 2000. Now you have 00 at tens in ones place. So the number which will be formed by the last 2 digits is 00. In that case, you'll have to divide the complete number and check. Okay, now suppose I would like to know this answer the way you answered 40 sessions question, that how many weeks will be there in 365 days? Anybody can answer this quickly. How many days are there in a week? 56. Who's that? 52 is the right answer. Correct. 52 days makes 52 weeks makes how many days, to be exact? 52 weeks makes 364 days. Plus 1 makes it 365 days. And in case of leap year, we have 52 weeks and 2 days. Right? Okay. So now moving ahead. Now, just a quick recap, and then we are starting with few questions. And let's see that how many of you can answer those questions quickly. Quick recap of 7 days makes 1 week, 1 year, 365 days. 365 days means 52 weeks and 1 day. 366 days makes a leap year, which is 52 weeks and 2 days. 12 months make 1 year. Now, it's about 4 weeks in a month. For exactly 28 days, it's 4 weeks. For 30 days, it's 4 weeks in 2 days. 31 days, it's 4 weeks in 3 days. Okay, do you know 10 years means 1 decade? Anybody who can tell me what is the meaning of 100 years? What is the term that we use for 100 years? Anyone? Very good. That's correct. It's 1 century. And what for 1000 years? Anyone? Very nice, bunch. Excellent. That's 1 millennium. So when we talk about 1900 to 1999, we call it 20th century, because after this 1999, 2000 comes. And when we talk about years 2000 to 2099, we call it 21st century. Okay, now let's start with the question and answer session part of this session. Now, if 12th of April 2007 was a Thursday, what will be the day on 30th of April 2007? Just use the logic that if you add 7 to 12th of April, you will get a date and it will be a Thursday. Okay, because after every 7 days, the same day will come. So if 12th of April is Thursday, then when will be next Thursday? It will be 19th of April. So what will be the answer for 30th April? Okay, I can only see one answer. Okay, one answer is Wednesday, one is Monday. I hope you're keeping into mind that after every 7 days, Thursday will come. So on 19th, you will get next Thursday. And then when will you get another Thursday? Add 7 to 19. Monday is the right answer. The children who are calculating it Wednesday, try and understand one thing. 12 plus 7 gives you 19, which is again a Thursday. 19 plus 7 gives you 26, which is again a Thursday. And then you're left with 27, 28, 29, 30. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Okay. So few children gave the correct answer, which is Monday. That's fine. That this comes with practice. Okay, let's move on to the another question. Anushka's grandmother went to USA for a vacation on 4th June 2010, and she came back on 26th of August 2010. So how long was her vacation? Let me give you clarity here that you have to include 4th June because vacations are starting from 4th June, right? And vacation is ending on 26th. So 26th August, no, how 23 days? June, July, August. How many months do we have in between? See, if the vacation is starting from 4th June, first think of, no, that's the wrong answer. Okay, I'll tell you the way. See, in the month of June, vacation is beginning from 4th of June. So we are including 4th of June. Now, how many days are there in the month of June? 30 days. So if I leave 1st, 2nd, and 3rd from the month of June, I'm left with 27 days. How many days are there in the month of July? 31 days. Beta 3 weeks means only 21 days, which is wrong. You people are calculating only, trying to calculate days, I think only for the month of June, whereas the vacation is from June till August. So how many days are there in July? 31. And how many days in the month of August are we considering as vacation? It is 25. We are excluding 26 because in 26, the school will reopen. So the correct answer will be, on adding 27, 31, and 25, we get 83 days. These kind of questions we will practice. Avantika, just check, bache, just check your calculation because 77 is the wrong answer. Right, so these are the kind of questions we'll have to practice in the regular classes, because these are the kind of questions that come in the Olympiad paper. You might find it a bit difficult right now because you have not done the practice yet. Once you practice, they become very easy. Okay, let's have a look at few more questions. This one is very easy and I hope everybody can do. How many hours are there in a week? You remember we did that recap that everybody knew how many days in a week, how many hours in a day and everything. That was for these questions. Now we know that in one day we have 24 hours. Okay, excellent. I got one answer. Okay, 168. So everybody could easily see, when you know something, you could easily calculate. So in 7 days, it is 24 into 7. 168 is the right answer. Let's move ahead. You found this easy. Okay. Now, if you have to write 22 days in weeks, how will you do that? How many weeks? Excellent. I can see that Kabir is doing very good. Right, and he is very proactive in case if he is not able to understand, and I would like everybody to be active in the class. Try and answer. This is a demo class. That's okay, even if you go wrong. That's how you understand things. So 3 complete weeks means 21 days. And we are taking one more day from another week. So that is why the fraction is 3/1/7. Very good, students. Okay. You might feel this a bit tricky, but we'll use logic here and we'll solve it. Independence Day. Everybody knows when is the Independence Day celebrated? I hope you have clarity on Independence Day thing. Okay, could you please tell me the date in the chat box? Any one of you? Okay. Now, August 15. So on which of the following dates will it be Sunday? Now 15th of August is Monday. So out of the options given to you, 1st September, 10th September, 18th September, or 26th September, which one will be a which one of them will be a Sunday? Anybody? Okay. Keep in mind that if 15th of August is Monday, then after every 7 days, Monday will repeat. No, I'm not talking about the August thing. I'm talking about the dates given to you. Out of the 4 options, you have to tell me which one is correct. Now we'll revisit your answer. I think you've done some mistake. August has 31 days, Beta. I think you took 30 days in consideration. That's why your answer is going wrong. Okay, I got all incorrect answers, D, B, and A. So those three are incorrect. So that means correct answer is C. Now let's understand how do we get that. Now everybody is answering C, huh? When I said three options are incorrect. Anybody who can explain me the logic in the chat box quickly? How C? Tell me how C? If you're using the logic that after every 7 days, Monday will repeat, I understand. Just quickly tell me. Anyone? Okay, if 15th of August is Monday, -1. Okay, very good, Kabir. So he made use of a very good logic that he subtracted 1 from 15. So he get 14th of August as Sunday, and then he calculated by adding, by going every week to it, right? Am I right, Kabir? Show me a thumbs up if I'm correct. Yes, that's very good. Children, there are different methods of solving a question. So when we will be discussing questions in the class, there is no one correct answer to it. There could be multiple correct answers to the same question, right? Because it's mathematics. There could be multiple ways of solving the same question. So his logic is absolutely correct. He calculated a Sunday in the month of August first, which is 14th of August is Sunday, and then he added on 7 to it. When you add on 777, you will get 18th of September as the date. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Now, and also consider this leap year thing. Always, whenever the year is given to you, make sure you keep in mind that first cross-check whether it is a leap year or not. So I hope, Kabir, here you can check whether 1984 is a leap year or not. If you divide 84 by 4, you'll get to know whether it is divisible or not. Right? So if 14th of February 1984 was Tuesday, then what was the day on 13th of February 1985? This is all together after a whole year. Do you remember that concept of 52 weeks and 1 day? Yes? Do you remember that? So that means exactly after 52 weeks, it will be a Tuesday again. But is it a leap year? Leap year. So anybody who can answer this question, I've given you the hint that if 14th of February 1984 was Tuesday, then no, it is not Thursday. Okay, who gave the answer is Wednesday. Very good. Excellent. Wednesday is the right answer because it is a leap year. So we are considering 2 days extra. It is 52 weeks and 2 days. Right? So 14th of February 1984 will not be a Tuesday, and rather than being Wednesday, it will be a Thursday. So 13th of February would be a Wednesday. Very good. So see, logical thinking, logical reasoning is a part in solving mathematical questions, right? It is used everywhere though. Okay, next question. This is just a glimpse of the kind of questions that we will be doing in the regular classes, all right? What is the period of time in hours and minutes from 9:15 in the morning to 2:30 in the afternoon? I hope you people know 9:15 and 2:30. Anybody doubt in this? 9:15 means 9:15 a.m. and 2:30 means 2:30 p.m. What is the time gap? Come on, this is a very easy one. Anybody who could give the answer? That is right. Only Kabir could give the very good. Kunj, Gayatri, correct. The rest of you, are you still there? Trying to solve? Okay, that's very nice. Very good. Okay. I can see that most of you are able to do it. All right, moving on to the next question. Now, do you remember this vacation question we did? The second question that we did? The similar kind of question is here, that school vacation, it began from 14th of April and it ends on 10th of June. So even 96 is a leap year, but it doesn't matter because February is not included here, right? But always make sure that you check the year before you answer in case if February is included. Have to tell me number of days, total number of days the vacation lasted for. Keeping in mind, include 14th of April, but do not include 10th of June. Do not include 10th of June. You people are including 10th of June in giving the answer. Yes, when you exclude 10th of June, the answer becomes B, which is 57 days. Okay. Now, Republic Day. Do you know when Republic Day comes? Please check the year as well, repeating again, because February is included here. So if Republic Day is on Friday, then on which day will the Teachers' Day come? Yeah, 26th of January is Republic Day. How will you do it? I mean, will you keep on calculating +7 like this? It will be very complicated. Even you can, when is Teachers' Day? Oh my God, you don't know when is Teachers' Day? How do you celebrate Teachers' Day at school then? It is 5th of September. 5th of September. Okay, now calculate. Now the easy method is, first calculate the total number of days from 26th of January till 5th of September. Calculate the total number of days. You all know how many days are there in a month. Then divided by 7. The way you did for 40 sessions, the way you did for 365 days in a year, same way. So quickly calculate and tell me how many days are there from 26th of January till 5th of September. Include both the dates. 26th of January as well and 5th of September as well. Because we want to know the day on 5th of September. So we need that day included. No idea. Okay, let's calculate. If I say from 26th of January, how many days are we including in the month of, let's say, wait. How many days are we including from the month of January? 5 days, 26, 27, 28, 29. 30, 31. How many days are we calculating from January? I'm sorry, we have to exclude 26th of January. 26th of January is gone. I'm sorry. Exclude 26th of January. From 27th, we will have to calculate 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 5 days in the month of January. Then February, because it is a leap year. So how many days in the month of February? Tuesday. You're approaching and the answer is Tuesday. Let's calculate and check. March, April, May, June, July, August, and in the month of September till 5. How many total days do you get? The ones who are giving answer is Tuesday. What are the total number of days that you're getting? Just answer me that in the chat box. Just tell me total number of days. Are you getting it as 223? By adding up everything, you're getting 30. Or by dividing it by 7, are you saying you're getting 30? But how will you get 30 even if you divide it by 7? Beta, in this question, I know this is a bit tricky because you're not into practice of solving such questions. So you will have to practice such questions. This is a bit tricky one. So let me explain. Total number of days when we go month-wise, we get 223. When we divide it by 7, we get 31 as the quotient and 6 as the remainder. So that means 31 complete weeks are gone, and after that 6 more days are there. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, because 31 weeks when we complete, it is automatically a Friday, and 6 more days on top of that will make it Thursday, not Friday. So Tuesday is the wrong answer. That's fine. At least you gave it a try. And once you practice, you will be a pro in this. Okay, let's move ahead. Let's go for some easy questions that you could easily answer. I think I would skip this one. This one again would be tricky for you, just like the previous ones. Let's move on to something simpler. Now, this is an easy one. Everybody could easily do it. Right? Because this is what you've already done in grade 3. So just tell me which of the following is the greatest period, which one of the following is showing the greatest period of time? How could it be A? No. Check your answers again, revisit. Just check the time for all 4 options. Which one is the greatest? Which A option is only 55 minutes and B option is less than that, which is 45 minutes. That's right. Gayatri, Avantika, your answer is correct. It is C, because C option is giving you 1 hour and 15 minutes. I can see most of you can answer this question. Okay, like this only. This one is again a bit tricky. I think we would do it in the class because this needs a bit of calculation and we are running short of time. We have hardly 5 more minutes in hand. So let's do something interesting rather than going for the tougher ones. Okay, this one is nice. In which of the following months 3 days occur 5 times? Come on, answer this one. For any month, if you want any particular date to occur 5 times, because 28 days makes it exactly 4 times. All days will come exactly 4 times. For 3 days to occur 5 times, how many days do we need in a month? 28 days makes it exact 4 weeks. So every day is repeating itself exactly 4 times. But I need any 3 days to repeat 1 more time. That means to occur 5 times. Answer is not C. February has exactly 28 days. Huh? So every day will repeat exactly 4 times. But I need 3 days to repeat 5 times. Okay, Kartika is saying I did not understand the question. Beta, for a day to occur 5 times in a month, for that, very good. I have the answer now. I'll explain it to you. The one who said I didn't understand. But if there are 31 days in a month, 28 days are gone, means every day is repeating itself exactly 4 times. But those 3 extra days means those 3 days are repeating itself one extra time. So 4 times plus 1 times make it 5 times. No, B is not the right answer. The month has to have 31 days. 28 days plus 3 days. That makes it 31. I can see few children, they gave the correct answer before I explained it. Okay. This one, would you like to give it a try? This is a bit tricky. No. Okay, D, if you're giving the answer for the previous one, D was correct. This question, a wall clock strikes the number of times as the number of hours. Means if the clock is showing 10 a.m., it will strike 10 times. If the clock is showing 11 a.m., it will strike 11 times. 12 noon, 12 times. 1 p.m., 1 time. 2 p.m., 2 times. 3 p.m., 3 times. But there is one more statement in the question that it also strikes every half an hour. So 2 half an hours make 1 hour. So on the complete hour, it is automatically striking, but do include the half an hour thing in between. Okay, now at 10 o'clock, it will strike 10 times. 11 o'clock, 11 times. 12 noon, 12 times. 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. means 1 time. 2 p.m. 2 times and 3 p.m. 3 times, correct? Now, how many half an hours are coming in between? At 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, and 2:30, right? So there are 5 more strikes coming in between. 10:30, 11:30, 12:30. Okay, I'm explaining it again. As I said, this is a bit tricky question and will come, you will be able to do such questions after practice. A wall clock is striking the number of times as the number of hours. That means that if the clock on the clock, if the hour hand is at 10, if the clock is displaying the time as 10 o'clock, then it will strike 10 times. Okay, by looking at the number on the clock, it will strike that many times. So 10 o'clock means how many strikes? 10. 11 o'clock means 11 strikes. 12 o'clock means 12 strikes. 1 o'clock means 1 strike. I'm going from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. So I'm going by the complete hours. 2 o'clock means 2 times and 3 o'clock means 3 times. This is how from 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 it is going. Very good. 44 is the correct answer. Now, it also says that 1 time every half an hour. So means after 10, half an hour is at 10:30. 11 o'clock it is already striking. No, we already calculated. After 11 at 11:30. Then after 12 at 12:30, after 1 at 1:30, and after 2 at 2:30. So there are 5 more strikes in between, which makes it 44. Okay. Let's move on. Correct. 44 is the right answer. That's absolutely correct. Okay, but here you are taking time because after practice, this will be quick. Okay, now quickly tell me which one is not a leap year, and then just one more question and then we will finish. Which of them is not a leap year? Who? Let me see who's the first one to answer. No need to divide the whole number by 4. Only check is 96 divisible by 4, 48 divisible by 4, 46 divisible by 4. And in the last option is 92 divisible by 4. Just check that much. Where is the chat box gone? Okay, I can see just one correct answer so far. Okay, the correct answer is C, Biche, because 96 is divisible by 4, 48 is divisible by 4, even 92 is completely divisible by 4. So there is only one number which is not completely divisible by 4, which is 46. It leaves you remainder as 2. Okay, so you'll have to brush up your this thing, division, basic operations as well. Okay, so as we are running out of time, one second. Okay. So because the time is up, I can't continue any further the demo class. So this is how we will be solving questions in the actual classes. I hope you like the demo session. Yes. And once you register and we start the classes, then we will be learning many more tricks and shortcuts to solve the questions quickly, because that is what is required for the Olympiad exam, right? Yes? Okay. Thank you so much. So now I will see you on next Wednesday. Yeah? Okay? Chalo. Bye-bye all. See you. It was nice having you in the session. Bye-bye.